They are doing the things that we won't do. They're standing up for our rights, our freedoms, and they are protecting us.
Example of what the men and women of law enforcement do. They stand as one, stand as together to protect you.
He has come to bat for us time and time after again. He's part of the Doral Automotive group.
Yeah, we're representing Fort Kendall, Doral, Lincoln, and Lincoln and Cutler Bay. So guys, let's support the police. Let's have a great event. And when you need a car, come to Fort Kendall.
Hello, Luis Somuano from Fort Kendall, Lincoln of Cutler Bay, and Doral, Lincoln. We're here at the Homestead Race Track supporting our police. It's amazing what they do for us. They are in the front of the line every day to help us to respond to any emergency. So we are here giving something back to them.
And this is for all of you, because everybody thinks that we're the heroes, but you guys are real heroes because it takes a lot more guts for you guys to come out and support us than vice versa.
We have gathered all Fords and Lincoln cars, and we're promoting the Hispanic Police Association. We have gathered over 500 cars, and Port of Kendall is promoting this event, has sponsored the event from the get-go.
This is a thing that we're putting together so we could bring awareness that police officers and civilians are actually together and supporting each other. So please, enjoy this event. This is something that brings the people together.
The funds that they're raising here is to make sure that they're making a difference in the community. We have the cars that are heading out to the track. We're raising money to make sure that we're supporting our police officers.
Land of the free and the home of the brave.
Hey, glad you guys all came out to Homestead Raceway to support the HPOA and all the law enforcement officers in the country. We're getting ready to go out on the track and do a couple of high-speed laps.
This place is really hopping. It's really good. It's a good promotion. We back the police all the way.
We're having a fabulous time at the Hispanic Police Officers Back the Blue event and excited to run the track with my wife's station wagon.
We're
We're having a great time. We're here with Ford of Kendall, Lincoln of Cutler Bay, Doral Lincoln. Everyone's having a great time, showcasing our cars. We couldn't ask for much better. It's a beautiful day.
I want to thank Frank for the pre-party that we had at the Ford dealership. Thank you very much. He opened his doors to us. It was an amazing day for us, and everybody came out. It was really nice.
Apoyando a mis hermanos, los hispanos, policías de nuestro condado Miami-Dade. Este esfuerzo, estamos viendo un entusiasmo bastante fuerte en nuestra comunidad.
Guys, we're leaving now. The event is almost over, but we want to recognize again the police. They put their life all the time in the fire. They do everything for us, so recognize the job that they do. Come and help the police. Thank you very much.